Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great Friday. Hope you all had a great week and you're all ready for a great weekend. Well, today we're going to be working on Bless This Family, and it comes from VIPCrossStitch and Joy Sunday, of course. So today we are going to be working in these green leaves. And the color is 3348. It's kind of a yellow-green, if you will. So, yay. Let me bring you down. How's everybody doing? Hope you're all doing well. Yeah. Gotta figure out which way to go, because the needle's on the bottom here. Oh my goodness. Well, yesterday I did some running around in town. Went to the thrift store and looked around there, found a few pieces of fabric. Nothing too exciting that way. And went out to the truck stop and picked up pizzas for my daughter and I. So we had lunch together, and then I left and came back and stitched a little and watched Netflix and listened to my audiobook. And what else did I do? And looked at a bunch of YouTube things. So it was a full, well-rounded day, and I made my tacos for dinner. They were yummy. And just kind of vegged after I got all my running around to do. Today I get to do trash and laundry. I know, doesn't that just send you into orbit going, yay? Yeah, no, not at all. But, you know, some things need to be done. Said it was going to snow yesterday, and we had flurries for about a half an hour, and that was about it. Just enough to get the pavement wet. Because by the time I was on my way to my daughter, the sun was partially shining. Yeah, that's how yesterday went. But it was still in the 40s. You know, I mean, it didn't get terribly warm or anything crazy. So, yay. So it was a nice day to stay inside after I got done doing what I had to do. So, I didn't even take a nap. I just too much some days. Too much running around, and by the time I got to sit down, all I wanted to do was sit down and stitch. So, yeah, that's how that worked. But, so made some progress. I worked on the rabbit yesterday. I don't think I picked this one up, per se, but, yeah. So they're both coming along, little bit by little bit. But that's all it takes, right? It's a little bit, and a little bit, and a little bit more. And then next thing you know, you're putting in back stitching, going, why did I leave that last? Yeah. That would be me. And usually I have no desire to put that back stitching in, but we'll see. Right now I'm just enjoying doing the cross stitching. Don't want to have to worry about any of the rest of it. Just doesn't exist in my brain. I like to see the colors coming together and how all the shading is and stuff. So that does it for me for now. Oh, sorry, I forgot to turn down my computer over there. So every time I get an email, it goes ding. Yeah, I don't know where that came from or how to shut it off, so we'll just leave it alone, right? I do have my, what do you call it? Volume up, so that's why you hear it so much. And the bells, that's just me hitting the bells over here because they're all hanging from the arm that holds the camera. Well, I shouldn't say camera, it's my phone. I always film on my phone. It's so much easier. Life goes so much better. Yeah, that, what do you call it, digital camera for videoing and taking pictures just didn't work the way I wanted it to. And, I mean, I really didn't expect much. I didn't spend very much on that camera, so, yeah. So, we live, we learn. We spend money and then realize we should have spent just a tad bit more. Either that or I'm not real sure how to work it all, so. Didn't turn out the way I wanted it to, so we just went right back to my phone, which has good enough quality to make videos and that kind of thing, so yeah, it works. So what's everybody else working on? Hope you're working on something fun. Everybody needs their therapy for a day. You know, whether it's 10 minutes or half an hour or all day. You know, whatever works for you. But I don't think I could go a whole day without stitching. It's very therapeutical. For sure. Anybody gonna go anyplace exciting this weekend? Do anything fun? Yeah. No grand plans here. But that's okay. I can make a mess right here and play with all my stitching projects, no matter what genre they are. We have beaded cross stitch, we have diamond painting, we have regular cross stitch, we have silk cross stitch. Anything else? Oh, if you get really technical, I have embroidery. I have sashiko. Moving on, yeah. So just pick whatever you're in the mood for around here. I like it that way, so that I don't get bored working on just one project at a time. Because sometimes I don't even feel like cross-stitching. I'll just go do something else. I came real close to getting the sashiko out the other day, but that didn't happen. I got distracted by a horde of sparkly squirrels. And then I tripped and fell in a rabbit hole, so yeah. That's my excuse, and I'm sticking to it. Yeah. So it's just whatever I want to work on by the day. And they've all got their therapeutic attributes, you know. Some do it more than others, some not so much. You know, it's just however I feel like doing. And I was hoping to get to sit in my rocking chair this weekend, but if it's going to be cold and blowing and all that, I don't want that blowing against from the window standpoint. What are we doing here? So I'll just sit on the couch and cover up in my my shawl that I got from my friend Jill, and throw my, I call it a fleece blanket. I don't know what they are. They look like they're supposed to be lamb skin, but Sherpa, maybe that's the word. I don't know. But I have that over my legs, and I'm just cozy as can be. And if I get real cold, I can turn on my heating pad. But I usually don't have to use that, so. It hasn't been freezing crackers for, you know, like weeks on end, so that's a good thing. It's been in the 50s, so now 40s feel really cold. But we always get the wind. Just a little bit sometimes. It's not always blowing at 40 miles an hour, but thank goodness. Whoops. I want to try to put some time into this today so that I can finish this bunch of leaves. So that's on my agenda. But other than that, I have made zero plans. And these leaves are almost done. I'll have to put whatever berry is they're like down right at the tips of this. The rest of it's nothing but a green leaf, so. And then of course you got that background, so I'd like to keep going, you know, from here this way. So that takes a hot moment. Oh, for pity's sake. I'll let when I do that. Hold, please. I had to even out those ends. They were a bit uneven for some reason, as usual. My daughter was sitting there playing video games when I got there. I asked her what she was doing all day. Well, she said she wasn't going to work outside because, like I told you, it was kind of cold and cloudy and that kind of stuff. But the sun had come out, so she might have gone out. She was trying to get some stuff out of the house and put back into storage. And yeah, I asked her if she needed any help. She said no. So I help when I can, when she'll let me, you know. We had been talking about switching my granddaughter's bedroom around, but she wasn't doing that yesterday, so. She said it was going to take a little more than a day to do that, so. We'll see. And then she's got some heavy furniture, I mean, way heavy, that her and I couldn't even move together. So, fun times. I just want this little area. If I hang on to the needle. Ouch. And I was cutting vegetables for, what do you call it? Don't put that there. There we go. For the taco stuff, and lightly cut my finger. So it's the one that I use to move everything, you know, maneuver the material. So every once in a while I hit that. So it's been special. Maybe I'll have to get out my 11 count stuff because I don't do that on the 11 count. And especially those two big ones that I've been working on for so long. They are nice and soft fabric, so they kind of maneuver themselves. So, that's always fun. Oh, goodness. All right. Let me anchor that puppy. and cut our little bitty piece of thread off, and let me flip it around and pull you out. Whoop. Let me get rid of that. There we go. So it's coming. I don't know what the rest of the colors are around there. Got 1, 2, maybe 3, 4 or 5 if you add in those little berries, if you will. But the leaves are almost done there, so we'll get at it. Let me fold that in half so it's laying flat. I've been having it crunched up in my fingers for so long. You know how it goes? Yeah. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.